Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're making a super easy yet delicious chicken broccoli casserole. There are so many different ways to make this casserole, so feel free to change it up to your liking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll need two 10.5-ounce cans of soup. We're using 1 cream of mushroom and 1 cream of chicken. You can use whichever works for you. Add half a cup of mayo and half a cup of sour cream and give it a mix. Now for the seasonings, half a teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of Creole or Cajun seasoning. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we like the taste of the lemon to come through, so we use 2.5 tablespoons. Mix until well combined. Here we're adding half a cup of cheese, Monterey Jack and cheddar mixed. Use the cheese of your choice. Give it a quick stir, then set the sauce aside. Spray a 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray, then add about 15 ounces of broccoli. Because it's all that we had at the time, we're using frozen broccoli. Let it thaw completely before adding and pat dry with a towel. Of course, fresh broccoli is better, just steam for 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add about 1.5 pounds of shredded or cubed chicken. We used the breasts of a whole chicken that we made the day before. Rotisserie chicken works great as well. Now it's time for the sauce to be added. If you want less sauce, use 1.5 cans of soup instead of 2 cans. If you want thinner sauce, you can mix a little milk or chicken broth until you reach the desired consistency. Add about a cup of cheese to the top. Again, we used Monterey Jack and cheddar. Now for the topping. We used croutons because we like that extra crunch. You can also use crushed Ritz crackers or even breadcrumbs as the topper. Tastes great any way you make it. Place in your preheated oven for 25 to 35 minutes or until the edges are bubbly. Remove and allow to cool. This dish is amazing served alone, over rice, or even with egg noodles. However you decide to serve it, we're sure you're going to love it. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy!